So the question is, what is the net force on the rectangular coil? This is a rectangular coil A, B, C, D, right? The where one of the conductor which is passing just close to this rectangular coil, the current is twice 2 ampere. 2 ampere current is flowing through this conductor. So which is 2 centimeter away from the coil, that is from the side AB. Okay. So what you are asked to find out, what is the net force and one thing, net force, I think direction of this, where is this? Okay. Right? Direction of current through CD is along from C to D. So you are asked to find out net force experienced by this rectangular coil. And options are 25 into 10 to the minus 7 towards where? Towards the wire. That is in this direction. 25 into 10 to the 7 Newton away from the wire, from this wire away. And 35 into 10 to the minus 7 Newton towards wire. And this 35 into 10 to the minus 7 Newton away from the wire. Okay. So to solve this problem, you have to take the help of the force between two parallel conductors, right? You see, in the upper and lower conductors, there is no current. Only this conductor and this conductor, current is flowing, right? So you have to consider the 1 ampere. Okay. For this, the formula, that is, suppose two parallel conductors, this and this. The force on AB is represented as FAB. So mu naught I L1 L2 by twice pi R. Okay. So this expression gives the force between two parallel conductors, and particularly this expression gives the force experienced by AB, the conductor AB, and due to the current passing through this. Okay. So this will be attractive force, right? Because both the currents are flowing in the same direction. যেতিয়া কারেন্টটো একে ডাইরেকশনত যাব তেতিয়া প্যারালাল কন্ডাক্টৰৰ মাজত অ্যাট্ৰাক্টিভ ফোর্স হ'ব তাৰমানে টুৱাৰ্ডছ দা ওয়ার এই কন্ডাক্টৰডালক এই ওয়াৰডালে টানিব সো ভ্যালুটো হ'ব এটো ওকে সো লেট আস পুট দা ভ্যালুজ ভ্যালুবিলাক কেনেকৈ পুট কৰিবা মিউ নটৰ ভ্যালু কি mu naught is equal 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. Okay. I is what? Oh, sorry. It is bhul ase. I1, I2, and L. So according to the formula, it should be I1 and I2, and should be multiplied by L. Okay. So what is the value of I1? So I1 is here 2 ampere. What is the value of I2? I2 is again 1 ampere. It is 1. Okay. Now L is 1. So from this conductor, L is 2 centimeter. Okay. This is R, and L is this AB. The length of AB is 15 centimeter. So 15 into 10 to the power minus 2, because you have to convert in meter. Meter le nibo lagibo 15 centimeter ase. A L2 whole edalor length. Now twice pi R. What is R? R is this distance 2 centimeter. That is 2 into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, so you have to calculate the value. minus 2 cancel jabo, pi 2 ahibo, so 2 into 10 to the power minus 7, 2 into 15, that is 30, right? 2 into 15, 30 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton, right? This will be attractive force, that is AB conductor will be attracted towards the wire. So towards the wire, towards in this direction, left, towards left, right? Now you are asked to find out the net force, that is you have to find the force on CD also. CD conductor dalar upor force to tumi uliabo lagibo, same formula. So now let us find FCD. So FCD will be mu naught, same formula, I1 I2, okay, L twice pi R. So eke thakibo, only R will change. R to kiman hobo? So A wire dalar para A dalar distance to 2 plus 10, 12 hobo, 12 centimeter. The net distance will be 12 centimeter. Baki bilak so eke thakibo. So in place of mu naught you write just 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7. To mono rakhiba, I1 is equal to, this is 1, and L is equal twice pi. Only thing is R is different here, 12 centimeter. This is 12 into 10 to the power minus 2. Minus 2 kele multiply korilu meter le nibole karone. So L is what? Again 15 centimeter. 15 into 10 to the power minus 2. So 10 to the power minus 2, 10 to the power minus 2 cancel, right? 12, 2 pi cancel, pi cancel, 2 cancel, so 4 will come here, so 3, it will be 3 again, 15, 5, okay? So finally 5 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton force towards, because this is the current flowing from C to D. C pura D le goise, ako iyat ko upor phale goise, duita opposite current. So repulsive force towards right, that is away from the wire dalar pa atori jabo force to. So etia soa, eto eta force CD upor, eto eta force AB upor. This force is 30 or eto 5. So this is higher. Left of hole eta force this is 30. So right of hole eta force is 5, right? So finally there will be 30 minus 5, 25 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton will be the force towards the wire. So first A will be the right answer, right? Ako ko disu, AB is the force, FAB is the force applied on AB towards left, towards the wire. Wire dale tani anibo, attractive force ekane hobo attractive, duidal eke direction of go ase, right? So calculation kori ami dekhilo 30 into 10 to the power 7 minus 7. Second wire dalo CD tolole goise current to, etu upor le goise, etu opposite direction, repulsion hobo away. So duita force opposite hol, etu pai etu minus korilu, thakilege kiman 25 into 10 to the power minus 7 Newton, that is 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. So this will be the right answer, right? Okay. So second question, find the current through 4 ohm resistance in the circuit below. So this is a circuit, 3 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 8 ohm, 8 ohm, 4 ohm, 2 ohm, and 9 volt is connected, right? So some options are given. So out of these options, one will be the answer. So you are asked to find out the current passing through 4 ohm resistor, right? So let me show you. Suppose I current is I is a net current in the circuit. So through this some current I1 will pass. Through this some current I2 will pass, right? Again they will meet together and will come out, enter in this battery as I. মানে গোটেই সার্কিটত নেট কারেন্ট আই হ'ব, বেটাৰিটো 9 ভোল্ট হ'ব। এতিয়া আমি উলিয়াব লাগে ইয়াৰ equivalent resistance. So to find equivalent resistance, let me give you A, B, C, D. Okay. First of all, let us find equivalent resistance between B and C. Okay. So B and C মাজত যদি উলিয়াবলৈ যাওঁ তেতিয়াহ'লে এইটো হ'ল series. So 2, 4, 2 series of connection আছে. So all should be added together. কিমান হ'ব? 2, 4, 2, 8 হ'ব। So এই গোটেই কিটা ঠাইত আমি 8 আছে বুলি ধৰি লওঁ, right? 8 ohm আছে বুলি ধৰি লওঁ। Okay. So all these series resistors are connected to get the equivalent resistance 8 ohm. Hioti গোটেই কিটা মিলি পলাই 8 ohm resistance দিব। ঠিক আছে। So এই পইণ্টটো এফালে যিমান কারেন্ট যাব এফালে সিমান কারেন্ট যাব, কারণ এটো 8 আছে এটো 8 আছে। So B and C 1 by RBC will be 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, right? It is 2 by 8. It is 1 by 4. So RBC is equal 4. Your meaning to whole B and C মাজত তুমি 4 ohm resistance দিলে এই দুটা আঁতৰাই দিব পাৰা। Okay? So B and C মাজত তুমি এটা 4 ohm লগাই দিলে হৈ গ'ল। এই দুটা দৰকাৰ নাই। এটা তুমি ইয়াত 4 ohm এটা লগাই দিয়া হৈ যাব। Next come to A and D. A and D. A আৰু D মাজত আমি উলিয়াব বিচাৰিছো 2 plus 4 plus 2 again 8 ohm, right? Hetu 8 আকৌ এটো 8, so 1 by 8 1 by 8, so কিমান হ'ব? ইয়াতো A আৰু D মাজত similarly you will get R AD is equal 4 ohm. A আৰু D পইণ্টৰ মাজত তুমি 4 ohm পাবা, right? মানে সব বাদ দি A and D মাজত তুমি যদি 4 ohm এটা দি দিয়া, if you connect 4 ohm resistance in between A and D, then you will get the same resistance. Now as a whole এই গোটেই কিটা বাদ দি তুমি 4 ohm দিলা, ঠিক আছে? সেইবোৰ সব বাদ দি A and D মাজত এটা 4 ohm দিলা, you have connected 4 ohm. Now this is series 3 plus 4 plus 2. 3 plus 4 plus 2 how much? 7, 8, 9. So net resistance R is equal 9 ohm. Okay. So this is 9 volt. According to Ohm's law, V is equal IR. So it is 9 by 9. I is equal V by R. 1 ampere. Right? 1 ampere. So net current is 1 ampere. You see. So 1 ampere current is flowing through here according to Kirchhoff's first rule at point A. So it will be divided into two parts, here and here, because you see along this direction there are 8 ohms and along this direction it is 8 ohm, because this is 4 plus 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2 plus 2, okay, 8 ohm. So ephale jiman current jabo ephale himan jabo, so equal current jabo. Total asle kiman 1 ampere, 1 ampere দুটা ভাগত ভাগ হল, এটা ভাগ উপফালে গলে থাকিব কিমান 0.5, তলফালে গলে থাকিব কিমান 0.5, so এফালে 0.5 ampere গল এফালে 0.5 ampere, এই পয়েন্টত আকৌ দুভাগ হ'ব, এফালে a2 আছে এফালে a2 আছে, so equally divided at this point B, the same current 0.5 ampere will be equally divided, so here will be 0.25, in this direction will be 0.25. So here actually we are asked to find out the current passing through 4 ohm. So ইয়াত আসলে কি 2 ohm আসলে, ইয়াত আসলে 2 ohm আৰু এটা আসলে 4 ohm. So same current will pass through. It is 0.25 ampere current will pass through 4 ampere. That is, your answer is C. Right? In this way, you have to solve the problem. So, when 3 identical bulbs of 60 watt enake rating kora thake 60 watt 200 volt, rating is connected in series to a 200 volt supply. The net power drawn will be 60 watt, 180 watt, 10 watt, 20 watt. The answer is 20 watt. But how? You see, power is given V into I. Always remember, power is given V into I and it is expressed in watt. Okay. So also we know that V is equal IR, right? So in place of V you can put IR. So I R I. So it will be I square R, right? So also I is equal V by R. So if you put one expression, I square R. So also power is equal. So if you put I is equal V by R, I thought that it will be V by R bohua. Titia hole I thought V by R bohul. So ki hobo V square by R. So power is equal V square by R. It is a relation. Tinta relation tomar ase. So in this case, R is equal R1 plus R2 plus R3 because all the bulbs are connected in series, right? They have some resistance. So resistance will be this. So from this equation, you have R is equal V square by P. A relation to what you paba R is equal V square by P. So in place of R, you can write V square by P, V square by P1 plus V square by P2 plus V square by P3. Okay, so all the powers are same because it is 60 watt. So power 60 watt is not V is equal to 200. So V sub cancel jabo. So 1 by P is equal 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60 plus 1 by 60. So P is equal 2 by 60, right? 2 by 60 means what? 1 by 30. Power is equal 30. Amar 30 hola se dekhon. 32 yat nai koto. Or 3 hoba lage. 3 hoba lage. 3 by 60 is equal to 1 by 20. So P is equal 20 watt. What is the unit of power, right? We have another problem also. Can you follow this? So you have to remember the expression for power, right? Power বুলি কলে কি বুজো আমি এটো বুজিব লাগিব জানিব লাগিব তাৰপিছত এটোকে আমি বেলেগ বেলেগ ধৰণে লিখিব পাৰো that is power is equal I square by R also and it is equal V square by R also যেতে যেটো দৰকাৰ হয় এই তিনিটা ৰিলেচন আমি ইউজ কৰিব পাৰো so